Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing glitter ornaments. First we'll have to peel the film off either side of our acrylic pieces to make them nice and shiny and clear. Once we have that, we'll need our beautiful chunky glitter and our Mod Podge. We'll take our brush and dip it in the Mod Podge first, and then we'll dip it straight into the glitter and start brushing that onto our ornaments. I'm brushing and dabbing my glitter around to try to create glitter where I want it and make it a little bit more precise. But if you just want to brush it straight across, I'm sure it has a beautiful effect too. Don't be afraid to add a lot of the Mod Podge. That's what's going to keep the glitter stuck down. And I know it looks kind of weird and white right now, but it's going to dry clear and have this beautiful sparkly effect to keep everything intact. So we'll keep doing that until the whole thing's covered and repeat the same process on the other two ornaments. Once that's done, I'm taking out my sequins and applying them the same way. But for this one, I wanted to do something a little bit more exact. So I decided to make my sequins look like little blinky lights on the Christmas tree. They're a little hard to pick up. I learned halfway through doing this that it's a little bit easier if you try to pick up the sequins with your brush. Get enough of the sticky mixture on it to try to pick it up, and that way you can kind of guide where it goes. Placing the sequins does take a little bit of time. Now for the bell, I decided to just kind of place my sequins sporadically. There was no pattern to it. But for the ornament, I wanted to create a more intricate pattern. So I used a lot of sequins of the same color and made pretty stripes with them and other ornament-like designs, just to kind of give it a different look. You can really do whatever you want with your sequins. I just decided to make mine more of a pattern. And there you have it. Once you're done with that, you'll tie it to a string and they're all done. Thanks for watching.